Good morning, it's the 19th of May 2010 and this is your daily outlook. Germany bans naked short selling and risk aversion spreads. The euro traded in a tight range all day yesterday as the market felt that a short squeeze is imminent due to the record short positions in the euro dollar. However, the euro managed to make some new record lows since January 2006 as Germany surprisingly announced a ban on short selling in euro area bonds, credit default swaps and a number of financial institution shares. As soon as the market heard rumours of such a ban, speculators and market participants moved to short positions in risk currencies and to long positions in dollar and yen. The reasoning behind such a ban is cited to be exceptional volatility in euro bonds, and the move is intended to hinder speculation. We also had a number of bond auctions by different EU member states, and the resulting figures indicate the lack of appetite for southern EU bonds as opposed to northern EU bonds. Yesterday we also had a lower than expected ZOO report along with a higher than expected CPI report coming out at 0.5%. In the US we saw the dollar benefit from the renewed bout of risk aversion. We had a number of housing reports indicating a mixed picture, with housing starts up by 5.8% whilst building permits were down by 11.5%. This suggests a sudden rush to build before the housing tax credits expire. We also saw the PPI report fall below 0.1% for the month of April. In the UK, we had the CPI report, which printed 0.6%, beating expectations of 0.4%. Bank of England Governor King said that inflation will likely return to 2% within the year, and he is conscious over CPI risk in either direction. He also noted the Bank of England is ready to expand or reduce its quantitative easing programme according to market needs. Their minutes are expected to show a unanimous decision, both the quantitative easing and benchmark rate decisions. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 123.10, with a preference to enter into short positions at 123. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 91.50, with a preference to enter into long positions at 91.55. Today's calendar of market movers: US Consumer Price Index for April expected at 0.1%, Canada Wholesale Trade for March expected at 0.7%, and US crude oil inventories for the week expected at 0.7 million. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed negative yesterday, with the Dow closing at minus 1.08% and the SP 500 at minus 1.42%. European bourses were positive yesterday, with the FTSE closing at 0.85%, the DAX at 1.47% and the CAC closing up at 2.08%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was at minus 0.63% and the Hang Seng at minus 1.07%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.